Who is the greatest Bible teacher alive today?
I was going to say John MacArthur.
Yes, he's the man. What made him so? And this is important, right? Because
Yeah.
we should articulate, like, why is he a legend?
Yeah.
And how do we get more of this next generation to be in
Yeah.
that mold?
Unafraid. That's a
There's no middle ground. You either embrace Jesus as Savior or Lord, or you don't. One promises heaven, the other promises hell. No middle ground.
Totoo yun. Bago lang talaga ako intentionally nagbabasa ng Bible at hindi ko rin maintindihan actually yung Bible kaya naghahanap ako ng mga videos on YouTube who can explain the Bible. So nakita ko si John MacArthur bago ko ito napanood yung video, and his explanation about the Bible is very very direct to the point, walang char-char. Kaya if you are studying the Bible too at hindi nyo maintindihan na kayo lang, so I recommend watching his video on YouTube, or meron din sila actually website, you can search it on Google.